How to delete Turo account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete Turo account. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into the account, just like I've done here. And once you're logged in into your Turo account, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and just click on it. By clicking on it in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you go ahead to click on account. All right, account is located under profile. By clicking on account, you'll be taken to your account page. Okay, so once you're on this page, you can see account, you can see other functions, right? So scroll down until you can see the option download my account data, then you can see the option close my account. So once you can see that, click on it, and then you'll be taken to next stage, which a box will be displayed showing you that once you close your account, you no longer be able to use it, this and that. Click on continue, and by the time you click on continue, you'll be taken to the next stage. Carry out all the prompts, and then just like that, your account will be deleted and your account would be closed. So this is basically how you can close your account or delete your account on Turo. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to try it out now.